The font group allows you to change how your text in your document looks. It has a wide range of functions, including choosing the font size, bolding, italics, underlining, strikethrough, subscript, superscript, changing the color, highlighting the text, changing the case, and clearing all formatting. To change the font in your document, highlight the text that you want to change. Then click on the drop-down next to the title of the font. If you know your title, you can always type it in to that bar as well. Scroll through and find your option. They'll be in alphabetical order if that makes it easy. To change the size of your font, there are a couple of different options. First of all, highlight the text that you want to change, and then using the drop-down, select the font size you want. If it's not there, you can always type it in. Alternatively, there is a function that allows you to go up in size or down in size. You can click through those until you get the size that you want. You might want to make your text stand out. To do this, you can set it to bold. Highlight the text that you want to be bold, and then choose the giant B symbol, and it will turn bold. Italics will put your text on a slight angle. To do this, highlight the text that you want, and then select the italics option. To put a line under your text, you should use the underline function. To use this, highlight and then select the underline. If you select the drop down next to it, it will give you different options for your lines. These range from squiggles to dots. Strikethrough will put a line through your text. You can use this to show errors or old work that is out of date. To do this, highlight the text and select the strikethrough option. Subscript changes the location of the text to below the line. You would use this when you are writing chemical phrases like H2O and you want the 2 to be below the line of the H and the O. To do this, highlight the character that you need to change and then select the subscript option. Superscript is the opposite, where it will go above the line. For example, if you are writing a mathematical equation and you are writing to the power of 2. To do this, highlight the character that you want and select the superscript option. To change the color of your text, highlight the text and then click on the drop-down option. This will bring up different colors that you can change to. If the color that you want isn't there, you can always click on more colors and choose from the new window. If you're wanting to emphasize some information in a document, you can use the highlight function. To do this, highlight a selection of text and then select the highlight option. You can choose from different colors. You can change the case of your text. To do this, highlight a selection of text and then select the changing case option and a drop-down will appear. You can choose from a couple of different options, which include sentence case, where the first letter of every sentence is a capital, all to be in lowercase, all to be uppercase, or to capitalize each word. The clear all formatting function will restore all the text to a very plain format. To do this, you highlight the text that you want to change and then you select the clear all formatting function. You will see that it changes back to a very bland format.